What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Do you make your bed every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs.
Do you go to work or school?
I go to school.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8 a.m.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework and watch TV.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help with cleaning and dishes.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it sometimes.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat rice and curry.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
How often do you eat out?
Once or twice a week.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate rice, fish curry, and vegetables.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I did.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 10th grade.
What's your favorite subject?
I like science.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes, they are kind.
What time does your school start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, in math.
What did you learn today?
I learned about the solar system.
Do you have any exams soon?
Yes, next week.
Who is your best friend at school?
My best friend is Anu.
What do you do during break time?
I talk to friends and eat snacks.
Is English difficult for you?
Sometimes, but I am improving.
What's up?
Not much, just relaxing.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the market.
Did you watch the movie?
Yes, it was fun.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Sure, what time?
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, let's go.
Did you hear the news?
No, what happened?
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine now.
Can I call you later?
Of course.
How much does this cost?
It costs 200 rupees.
Do you have change for 500?
Yes, I do.
Can I pay by card?
Sorry, cash only.
Is there a discount?
Yes, 10% off.
Where can I buy fruits?
At the market near the temple.
What are you looking for?
I want a new bag.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the changing room is over there.
Do you sell mobile accessories?
Yes, on the second floor.
How many apples did you buy?
I bought 5.
Did you buy anything today?
Yes, some vegetables.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the bus stop.
How far is it?
About 2 kilometers.
Is this the right bus?
Yes, it is.
How long does it take to get there?
Around 30 minutes.
Have you ever been to Chennai?
No, not yet.
Where is the railway station?
It's near the post office.
Did you enjoy the trip?
Yes, it was amazing.
What places did you visit?
We visited a museum and a zoo.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Are you going alone?
No, with my family.
Are you feeling well?
Not really. I have a cold.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a mild one.
Did you take medicine?
Yes, I did.
How long have you been sick?
Since yesterday.
Do you need to see a doctor?
Maybe if it gets worse.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, to dust.
Did you go to the hospital?
Yes, last night.
What did the doctor say?
He said it's just a cold.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every morning.
Are you tired?
Yes, I didn't sleep well.
Where do you live?
I live in Kochi.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
How many people are in your family?
4 people.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, 1 brother.
Is your house big or small?
It's medium-sized.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is Thrissur.
Do you visit your grandparents often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's quiet and friendly.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, every day.
What apps do you use the most?
WhatsApp and YouTube?
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite game?
I like playing chess.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, almost daily.
What's your hobby?
Drawing and reading.
Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy storybooks.
Are you interested in science?
Yes, I love experiments.
Do you write a diary?
No, but I want to start.
What's your favorite movie?
I liked 3 Idiots.
When is your birthday?
It's on July 15th.
Did you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, with friends and cake.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy.
Why are you sad?
I lost my pencil case.
Are you excited about the trip?
Yes, I can't wait.
Did you enjoy the festival?
Yes, it was beautiful.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
What made you laugh today?
A funny video.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I love them.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.